How to make your first investment using Apricot Capital Trade and Invest app. Let's quickly recap the essential steps you should have completed. Opened a brokerage account with Apricot Capital. Downloaded our app and logged in. Funded your new brokerage account following the instructions in the welcome email. Important points to know before you start. Investments can only be executed during stock market hours, Monday to Friday, excluding holidays, and operate within their specific time zones. Check Apricot Academy's Q&A section for the opening hours of available stock markets. The Apricot app lets you invest in stocks and ETFs. Want to explore more complex options? Contact our brokers. Remember, investments are subject to market fluctuations and carry inherent risks. Apricot Capital is regulated by the Central Bank of Armenia.